Hi everyone, welcome to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily, and today I'm so excited to guide you through this unique project, the Bamboo Coaster Suncatcher. It's a relaxing, meaningful DIY piece that blends traditional Vietnamese craftsmanship with the modern magic of crystals and sunlight. Let's bring some sparkle into your space, together. Before we begin, here are the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video and take a closer look. Step 1. Plan your layout. Let's begin by planning the overall design. Before attaching any components, take a moment to lay out all your beads, charms, and crystals on your work surface. This helps you visualize the final piece and reduces confusion later on. Lay the round bamboo frame flat. Place the two large AB crystals at the top. These will form the main hanging chain. Next, position the leaf charms and small teardrops on either side, arranging them symmetrically for balance. In the center, add the moonstar charm and the large teardrop crystal to form the longest hanging strand. Don't forget to place the butterfly charm near the top of the frame, nestled between the hanging chain and the frame itself. Tip: snap a photo of your layout before assembling so you can reference it as you go. This ensures symmetry and keeps your design flowing smoothly. Step 2. Assemble the top hanging chain. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to assemble the top hanging chain. Start by using a large jump ring to create a hanging loop at the top of the frame and connect it to the two large AB crystals. Use medium jump rings to link these two crystals together in a neat vertical chain. Next, attach the small silver butterfly charm between the frame and the crystal strand. It should sit right where the frame meets the hanging strand, giving the whole piece a soft focal point at the top. Finally, add the gold chain to the top of the crystal chain using another large jump ring. This completes your upper hanging strand and gives your suncatcher that elegant vertical start. Tip: when opening jump rings, always twist them sideways rather than pulling them apart directly. It helps them keep their circular shape and strength. Step 3. Attach the lower hanging chains. Now we'll move to the lower part of the suncatcher. First, divide the bottom of the frame into 5 equally spaced points. 1 in the center, 2 on the left, and 2 on the right. For each point, cut a piece of thin copper wire about 20 centimeters long. Wrap the wire around the bamboo frame 1 to 2 times at the selected point. Twist it several times to secure. Then bend the remaining wire back to form a small loop. Feed the wire ends back into the wrapped part and trim neatly with scissors or wire cutters. Tip: try to keep each loop small and tight to maintain a clean look and not distract from the decorative elements. Once you've added loops to all 5 points, move on to assembling the hanging strands. Use the thin gold chain with pre-attached crystals to create elegant, light-catching strands. Cut each chain to your desired lengths. Now, attach your charms to the bottom ends of these chains. Tip: let the center strand hang a bit longer than the side strands. This creates a graceful, cascading, sunlight dripping effect that's especially beautiful when hung in front of a window. To finish this step, connect each completed chain to its corresponding wire loop on the frame using small jump rings. Adjust the lengths if needed so everything looks even and balanced. Or, if you prefer a more playful and asymmetrical feel, go ahead and experiment with uneven lengths. On the outermost 2 strands, place the small AB teardrop crystals. On the next 2 inward strands, hang the metal leaf charms. And for the center strand, attach the moon star charm, followed by the large AB teardrop crystal. Step 4. Final check and finishing touches. You're almost there. Once everything is attached, hold your Suncatcher up and take a final look. Are the hanging chains straight and evenly spaced? Are any of the charms flipped or twisted? If so, simply remove and reposition the jump ring. Are all jump rings tightly closed and secure? Extra tip: if you want a little more shimmer, add a few small AB beads to the hanging strands. They'll catch and scatter even more light. And if you're gifting this piece, consider adding an extra jump ring at the top so the recipient can easily adjust the hanging height. A note about the bamboo coaster. At the heart of this Suncatcher is a Vietnamese artisan-made bamboo coaster, an exquisite piece featuring ceramics, mother-of-pearl inlay, and finely woven rattan. Each coaster is handmade with care, reflecting traditional techniques passed down through generations. Special detail: The back of the coaster is finished with a smooth black surface, making it ideal for personal messages. You can customize it to turn your Suncatcher into a one-of-a-kind gift. Add a name, message, or date. Include a meaningful quote or symbol. Use metallic markers, silver, gold, or white, for contrast, or opt for laser engraving if you want something extra polished. When finished, your bamboo coaster Suncatcher will be a beautiful balance of traditional craftsmanship and modern crystal elegance, a glowing reminder of light, beauty, and heritage. Whether you hang it in your window, gift it to someone special, or keep it in a sunny nook of your home, it's sure to brighten your day. Thanks so much for crafting along with me today. If this project brought you joy or inspired your creativity, don't forget to leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Crystal Flare for more peaceful, sparkling DIYs. You did such a great job, and as always, keep shining.